Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to show you an app. It's called Trust Money. So this is the app mobile banking by Trust Bank Limited in Bangladesh. So you can see the rating of the app 4.3 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really good. And 10k reviews, it means 10,000 plus people write something about this app. We'll see it later. And 10 megabyte size of the app, it's too light. And 500 plus people already downloaded this app or uses this app. So if you want to see some screenshot like what is the main feature about this app, then you'll get here. So you can see like Trust Money, this is icon, and you need to username and password. You'll get it from the bank. And Trust Bank, there are some like banking, fund transfer, bill payment. There are some option you can utilize, credit card, BDT payment, and other bank fund transfer. So you can also transfer your money from other bank if you want. And utility list, so you can give the money. Mobile you can also research, and branch location, you will see where the location is located in Trust Bangla. So it's really easy. So you just need to go, and if you want to check about this app, then go here and you'll get here. There are some feature, okay. And then you can see the size, the release app 2020, it's not too long, only 3 years ago. And in this days 500k downloaded. And there are some ratings and reviews, okay. You can see ratings and reviews like 5-star ratings, and also there are negative reviews. So if you want to check the reviews, then you can check through this way. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.